Hi guys, welcome to our open workshop, the Mobrage Saturday Open Workshop, happening today on Coronation Day, a rainy day, as you all will have witnessed or been part of. So today we are doing an oil change, oil filter change and air filter change on a Honda Jazz S. So let's get to it. So for a start, we would start by chalking the rear end of the vehicle. And the first task we have to do is raising the front end of the vehicle. That will make it accessible for us to get to the drain plug under the engine. Yeah, so we will raise the front end of the vehicle using a 2-ton jack and axle stands. It's quite a rainy day today, but we have to do it. So yeah, now we have that done. Next will be to crack the nut just under the sum. For that you need a 17mm socket. Crack that open and yeah, then allow it to pour into the pan. Then the next thing, once that is pouring, we will change the filter. There's a tool used for it. Alright, yeah, there's the filter, the old filter that we need to take off using a tool. Yeah, it's a little wiggle around to get the tool on it, and yeah, once you have that on, it's just easy, yeah, like so. Yeah, so you take that off. Then yeah, be careful because there's oil in there. Yeah, take that completely off. Yeah, once that's off, you clean around the engine area. Prep the new one. Yeah, prep the new one, and then you fit it back on. Yeah, it's an easy fit and it's easily accessible because we had raised the front end of the vehicle, so we have some room. Alright, put away the old oil. Yeah, just to keep the place tidy. Yeah, put that away. Put some of our tools away as well. So the next thing we'll do is we'll lower the front end of the vehicle. Yeah, nice and careful, so that the vehicle is level back on the ground. That gives us that makes it easy for us to top up the oil, and also the vehicle is level, so you get the proper reading on the dipstick. Yeah, some little clean oil from her. Alright, so yeah, so now we're just gonna pour in our oil. Yeah, once that's done, yeah, put the tools away again, do final checks. Then next we're going to change the air filter. That's where the air filter is located. So there are some 4 clips just on the 4 corners of that filter. There they are. Just unclip them, wiggle that open, then you have access to the old filter. If there are any debris in there, remember to just clean it. Yeah, then put a new filter on and close it, clip it back on, and you're good to go. Yeah, final checks on the dipstick, it's all good to go. So we'll start the engine and allow it to run, and we will carry out a couple of tests again under the engine to make sure that it's all dry. And yeah, these are the final checks that we'll do. We'll check underneath the engine for any leaks while the engine is turned off. We'll start the engine and let it run and then check for any leaks. Then lastly, once the engine has cooled, we'll check for the oil level and add more if necessary. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next week.